How do you change the scene units in Adobe Substance 3D Stager? The default scene units in Adobe Substance 3D Stager are centimeters. When you first open a new file, under Properties, you can change the scene units to whatever you want. But often, you might click anywhere, and suddenly there's no way to get back to scene units in Properties. All you have to do is double-click anywhere inside the viewport. Then you can come back and change the scene units. This doesn't have much to do with the way your models are imported. For example, if I leave this at centimeters and import a model that doesn't have units, like an OBJ, it's always going to assume that you're importing in centimeters, even if I change the scene units to meters. For example, this model comes in at 300 centimeters. I can't even see it. But if I zoom out with the camera dolly, now I can. No matter what, even if I change the scene units by double clicking, as you can see, it was already in meters. I can change it to centimeters and import the same file. And it's the same size because Substance 3D Stager always assumes centimeters for OBJs or STLs. Hopefully this allows you to change the scene units in Adobe Substance 3D Stager.